Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the App Store and confirming you are signed into the Apple ID that will receive the credit. Once done, tap your profile icon in the top right and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. This initiates the code entry UI. If you have a physical code, use your camera or type it manually, and if you copied the code, make sure to paste it to avoid typos. This gets you into the secure redeem workflow immediately. Now focus on entering the code accurately. Choose camera to scan a printed code or tap enter code and paste the 16-digit string you copied. Once entered, check that your account country matches the card region and that your payment method is valid. This prevents region errors. Tap Redeem and watch for the confirmation message showing updated credit or subscription applied. If it's a promo, read the terms on screen. Make sure you don't dismiss the success screen until balance displays. Finish by confirming the credit or subscription appears in your account summary. Open your profile again and review available credits or subscriptions. If the update doesn't show, close then reopen the App Store, and if needed, restart your device. Temporary caching can hide new balances. If you still see an error, verify the code format and expiration, and keep your receipt or screenshot. For persistent issues, contact support and provide the code and proof of purchase so they can trace and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.